Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making Hyderabad Dum Biryani. So before we start, today we will be doing in two parts. Before night I am marinating it and tomorrow morning I am going to start cooking. Before I start marinating, let me tell you what little bit more about myself. My name is Vikas Kerni. I am a software professional. Cooking is my hobby. So this channel is for professionals. I think everybody should know how to cook. And the aim of channel is to inspire professionals to cook their food themselves. So subscribe to my channel. Everybody will get benefited. Let's get started.
For the recipe, we will need mutton, basmati rice, yogurt, whole spices, fresh herbs, saffron milk, of course, onion barista, which is the heart of biryani. Notice no tomatoes here. Authentic Hyderabadi biryani uses yogurt and fresh onions for richness, not tomatoes. So let's talk about mutton marination. I have already defrosted and cleaned the mutton properly. The marinade has cubed thick yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, lemon juice and oil. So let's massage the marinade into the mutton really well and I'm going to let it rest for 4 hours. So I am putting right now some lemon juice and doing the final massage. Now I'm going to cover it and keep it refrigerated for the whole night, and tomorrow we'll start the cooking. So I marinated the chicken on Friday evening, so this is Saturday morning. So I have put 3 tablespoons of mustard oil in the pan. So let's put some khada masalas like bay leaf and I'm going to put some khada masalas. So how we are going to cook Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is we are going to cook mutton separately, and then we are going to cook separately, and then we are going to layer the rice on the dum. So now I have put khada masalas in mustard oil. I will let them crack for some time. This method of cooking meat separately and rice separately is very safe. Safe in the sense very few things can go wrong if you are cooking mutton at home, and the flavor is absolutely restaurant style. So let's mix the khada masalas with mustard oil and let them cook for some time. Now I'm going to add onions. I have cut 4 large onion into slices. So why we are using so much onion? If we are using so much onion, so half of the onion I'm going to take it away so that I can layer on the top of the rice. So 50% we are going to use to cook this chicken, and rest 50% we are going to use for layering. So next we have to wait, let it stir it occasionally to make sure our onion looks orange, more. They look golden brown. So we have to be patient. Keep the gas on medium heat, not high heat. we need to keep stirring so that they are not stuck to the pan. So if this is the time to add our meat to the onion, I have taken 50% for layering afterward. So here is our marinated meat. So we are going to make sure we mix it with our onion very thoroughly. So cook uncovered for some time, mix it well until oil starts separating, and then add little hot water. Then we are going to cover and cook. So first we are going to cook it on high flame for 15 minutes so that oil separates from it. It's 15 minutes. Now I am going to cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. Occasionally we are going to check and make sure that it is not getting stuck at the bottom of the pan. It's not getting overcooked. Okay, so we are getting to the final stage. So we have to make sure our meat is 90% cooked and it is not too much watery. At the same time we can start cooking our rice. So I'm going to I put 4 cups of rice, and what I did is I just put water 5 cups. So this way the rice would be cooked only 80%, 70 to 80%, because rest of them they will be cooked together. So here our meat is cooked now 90%, is very thick, and our rice is also ready. So let's get rid of all the khada masalas. We can clean it up at this point from the rice. One more trick I will say, we should add some salt to the rice. So let's start the layering process. And so here is our chicken is 90% cooked, and most of the gravy is gone, which is not a bad thing. So one trick is always keep the tawa down the pan so that heat is applied evenly to your meat, biryani or dum. So it's okay, it's time to layer the rice on top of it. layering onion birista on the top of the rice. Here I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ghee, and here I'm adding a layer of little bit hot milk and kesar inside that. I'm throwing some coriander on the top for garnishing. So we are now ready for our dum. So as I said, chicken is 90% cooked and rice is 70% cooked. And we have layered it evenly on the top of the chicken, curry meat. Okay, use a file to cover it, and we will use a file to cover it and cover it and keep the lid on the top of it. First, let it cook on medium to high flame for 5 minutes so that enough steam is generated, and for then 20 to 25 minutes we are going to keep it very on low steam. And once the 20 minutes are done, so let it rest for 10 minutes and then open it. And here is our biryani. We can see biryani is ready. And so this is how you should mix the biryani. Go from the corner to the deep and mix it. Don't just go from the top. You have to go dig into the bottom from all the sides and let it mix very well. So here our biryani, Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is ready. So folks, if you like this video, like it, share it and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates.